Hello everyone, welcome back to another Camp Nou update. Today, we're taking you straight to the heart of the stadium to see all the latest progress. From new prefabricated grandstands being installed, to escalators and structural supports taking shape, and even the diamond structure for the official store, everything is moving fast. Stick with us as we explore every zone and check out all the exciting updates from the site. At the tribune area, major progress continues with the installation of prefabricated grandstands. Multiple trailers have delivered new seating sections, many of which are already stacked on site and ready to be lifted into position. At the same time, work is advancing on the escalators within the tribune. The protective blue covering has been fully removed, and workers are now preparing the handrails, which are already placed on the steps and ready for installation. Welding work is also ongoing nearby for future elevator structures, showing steady progress across this entire tribune zone. Progress continues at the diamond structure, designated as the official FC Barcelona store. 5 large glass panels have been installed, with more prepared for placement. Cranes are actively positioning additional panels. 14 panels remain on the front, plus additional panels on the side. Once completed, this area will become a striking visual feature. At the south goal, structural work continues with elevated platforms and cranes active across the area. Workers are installing diagonal steel elements between the main supports, while welding and alignment work is ongoing on different levels. Several support brackets are already in place, while others are still being prepared for installation. Additional activity can be seen around the pillars, where teams are drilling and reinforcing connection points. At the north goal, welding, drilling, and installation of llamas support brackets are ongoing. Multiple elevated platforms are in use, though some areas remain untouched as components are staged for future installation. Spacing between supports varies depending on the sector, reflecting the adaptive design of the stadium. In the lateral zone, large structural pieces are being positioned. Workers are preparing pillars for vertical llama supports. Cranes and elevated platforms assist in lifting and aligning the components. Previously removed wall sections have created more space for vehicle access and easier material handling. Corner sections are seeing ongoing installation of llamas and their supports. Elevated platforms are active, while workers continue welding, drilling, and aligning components. This area is steadily filling in with the required llamas and structural elements. The parking ramp is fully visible with all formwork removed and concrete finished. This section now clearly shows the completed structural work, providing a clean, finished look compared to previously viewed areas. The stadium is evolving every day, with major progress across all zones. Preparations for upcoming installations, painting, and finishing work are actively underway. Stay tuned for the next update to see continued advancements at Camp Nou. That's it for today's Camp Nou update. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you never miss our next update from the stadium. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.